Planning a trip to Korea? Timing is everything. Korea has four very different seasons, from virgin winters to booming spring, humid summers, and colorful autumns. Here is how Korea feels from January to December. December to January can be colder than Siberia. From August to September, even people from the tropics feel the heat. And don't forget the monsoon rains in summer and the sudden cold snap in spring. So watch carefully and pack the right clothes. Most travelers pick spring or autumn, and they are right. These are the best months. But summer rains and winter chills, not so fun for travel. And don't forget Korean holidays. During Lunar New Year in winter and Chuseok in autumn, Incheon Airport is packed like a battlefield. Tickets price jump and lines never end. So when are the big holidays? Let me show you the calendar. These are the busiest travel weeks of the year in Korea. Check the schedule and make right decision. So plan smart. Choose the right season, avoid holiday chaos, and your trip to Korea will be unforgettable. Do you want to know more Korean hacks? Ask in the comments, subscribe, and let's go Korea!